Here it is, folks, the all-new 2021 F-150. This right here is the King Ranch Edition. It has its own unique grille right here, color matched to the body. Now you will see this design, this C design, in the trucks in multiple areas. So as you notice, your C design comes down here and then extends into the bumper with that lighting right there. You also have that C design right here in the rearview mirror. Little slant right there. Back here you have all new taillights. New applique right there for tailgate. And this truck right here is actually powering this site right here. They're actually using the F-150s to power the job site and run TVs, speakers, all kinds of cool stuff. This is the new tailgate of the F-150. As you can see here, your tie-down cleats. You have your ruler right here. Space for your pen. Here's where you can put in your cell phone, prop it up on the job site. Right here is where you can put in your C-clamps. And of course you have your tailgate step, completely accessible while still using the tailgate. This is the new ProPower Onboard. As you can see, you have multiple power ports right there. Now this is plugged up for this demonstration to power all of these items, as you might see on a standard job site. Right in here is where you will view the ProPower Onboard in the generator mode. As you can see, this is running right now, but the truck is not. That's because it is a hybrid. The engine has cut off and will turn back on when it needs to power up the battery again. So here's your standard 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6. Right behind that is where the 35 kilowatt electric motor generator is going to live, right in front of your 10-speed modular hybrid transmission. As you go towards the back here, you will see the ProPower Onboard inverter, which is this little box right here. This will allow you to power those tools on site. This right here is actually the lithium-ion battery. So you can see how small it is. It does not take up any cab space. It doesn't bump anything up like on other hybrids with the trunk space. You'll still have a full cab with the F-150 with a battery pack. As you can see, this is where the electric comes up, and this will be where it plugs into your ProPower Onboard right there in the bed of the truck. The 2021 F-150 that I am sitting in is a Platinum, and it comes with most every bell and whistle. As you can see, the door cards have been updated with new switches and additional storage. The revised steering wheel has new button designs and a neater presentation. This is perhaps the coolest and most satisfying addition, the stowable console shifter. A simple press of this button and the shifter recesses into the console, allowing you to unlatch the armrest and fold it out into a flat work surface. This flat work surface will also be available in those models with a column shifter as well. The all-new 12-inch digital cluster has new impressive-looking graphics. This will display off-road data, navigation, and various animations depending on your drive mode selections. As you can see, you get cool truck animations as well as color changes as you navigate through the drive modes. The all-new Sync 4 system is available with a 12-inch screen, and all trim levels will get at least an 8-inch Sync 4 screen. There is a new navigation options menu with trailer routing to give you the most trailer-friendly route to your destination. From here, you can also view the ProPower onboard generator mode to see how many watts are currently in use. There are also new menu options on Sync 4, one being the Features tab. From here, you have a digital owner's manual that's always with you. You can learn how to operate the F-150 with accompanying videos that do not need an internet connection to play. Here is also where you will access your over-the-air updates. You can schedule your updates to take place when parked as to not interrupt your commute, and check for updates to keep your truck optimized for fuel map efficiency, software updates, and anything else that needs addressed. Just like updating the latest OS on your cell phone. There are also nice massaging seats in this trim. And returning to the features menu, from here you can turn off and on your driver assistant features. You can also access your zone lighting from here to light up all or certain zones of the truck for working at night. The B&O sound system has been updated and is available on XLT 302A and up. The standard is an 8-speaker, 640-watt system, or you can step up in higher trims to an 18-speaker system with 1080 watts of power. Let's take a listen. Old subwoofer, new subwoofer. Streamlined, smaller, less weight.
Spotify Premium is better.
Class exclusive headrest speakers.
Okay.
With dual speakers in both sides.
Spotify Premium.
Look at that. Welcome to the 2021 Ford F-150. As you can see, this is equipped with the 12-inch screen, the digital gauge cluster. Right here is your new shifter. Press that button right there, it disappears. It's back up, comes back up. Now we are towing a 5,500 pound load with this truck here today, but we're going to test acceleration under load. Check it out back there, you can see the trailer.
Your outside lane, you're all set.
Whoa! Got a little lack of traction there, but that's okay. Smooth braking. And this has the adaptive steering that's coming down from the Super Duty, which makes the steering extremely smooth. This new steering wheel feels very good in the hands. It's actually a little bit bigger, I would say, than the former one. But that just means you got a little bit better control.
from you. We're gonna do a drag race.
All right. Thank you for joining us for this journey around the 2021 F-150. We sure can't wait for these things to hit our lots. As always, we are driven by you. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.